welcome back to another video. It is of course your girl Moya with Baddies in the Bag, and today we are getting ready to start week number 2 of October, and we have a little cash stuffing to do. Okay, so for week 1, I know I have 550 came from small business and 120. Okay, it's 670 for reals. So we have $670 made in week 1. A little bit more was made, but I had to purchase some supplies. So 670 is what we have. First, we're gonna start by doing our positive quote. So let me get the positive quote and let us pick a card and see what today's positive quote is. And it reads, "You are all kinds of amazing." This is so sweet. So always remember that you are amazing. Doesn't matter what it is that you're going through, doesn't matter where you're from, doesn't matter how you look. You are amazing. Okay, girl? Okay, boy? We are amazing people, okay? So we're going to go ahead and fill in the calendar. So what I'm going to do with this calendar is I'm going to go ahead and put expected amounts of cash that I'm expecting for the month of October. So I do have my Acuity Scheduler, which is my website that I take bookings from my clients. So I do see how many clients I have coming up, how much money I'm expected to make for the month. So this is basically me tracking my income. So this will work better for me because of the way my income is. My income comes in daily, or every 2 days, or every 3 days, or every hour. So this will help me better to see how much money came in, whatever, from both small business and from both side hustle and from main job. So let's get into it. I have my iPad beside me. I've already wrote it down so that it's going to be easier for me to just apply it to here. So let me get my pen. So it's the month of October. And I do wanted to add, let me stop saying if, because I really want to drop these planners. So let me just say when I drop the planners, of course it's going to be a little bit different, because certain things as the weekly budget page is going to be different. The tables are definitely going to be smaller, because as y'all can see, these tables are really like huge. That's just for me. This whole budget planner was personalized for me. This is how I want mine to be. But if I'm going to sell these, I will definitely make the tables smaller so y'all have more spaces to write stuff. I'm definitely gonna make a lot of changes to the weekly budget planner, as well as the expense tracker and the cash envelope tracker. I'll definitely make those tables smaller. That way you guys have more space to write. But don't mind this one. This one is personally made for me how I want it to be. Okay, I wanted to put that out there just in case y'all coming for me in the comments, girl, cause don't come for me, baby. Don't do it. So we have October, and it's October 2023. I'm sorry if the camera shakes. Whenever I write on the desk, it shakes. So let's see. Let me take a look at my calendar real quick so I could drop the numbers in. Now we could go ahead and add all the expected cash for the month. On October the 4th, we received $95, and we also received $95. On the 1st, we had 60. On the 6th, we had 120. On the 7th, we are expecting 170. On the 8th, we are expecting 420. And these, I'm starting with my business, like makeup and lashes is what I'm doing right now. On the 14th, we're expecting $90. On the 20th, $80. On the 21st, $70. On the 23rd, we're expecting $65. And on the 27th and 28th, so 27 through 28, we are expecting $380. So when we write all that down, let's see, we have 60 plus 95 plus 95. So the 250 was what we already spent. We had to order up some lashes, we had to order up some new makeup brushes, etc. So that 250, which is the 4th and the 1st, is already done. That's gone. So we're gonna start calculating from the 6th. The 6th is 120, which we have today, because today is the 7th in the morning, like around 7:30 a.m. is when I'm filming this video. So I haven't received the 170 as yet, but it's expected today. So we're gonna start from the 120 because we've already spent this. 120, 170, 420, 90, 80, 70, 65, and whoops, 380. We are expecting $13.95 to come in from our work, like our makeup appointments and lash appointments. For this month, we are expecting $13.95 to come in, but we should make for the month $16.45. And this is so far. As the month goes by, people normally book more. So as the month goes by, I will definitely be updating the calendar, because we want to see all the income that we have received for the month, right? So let's subtract the $250 that we already spent. So we are expecting $13.95 as of today. I'm not going to put the totals yet. When the month ends is when I'm going to total how much came in from where and whatever. So I'm just gonna put what is expected to come in for right now, right? For right now, we're expecting $13.95. And from my small business, which is my website, I have, so I'm gonna put website equals $550. So we have $550 made on the website this week for week 1. So we're going to go ahead and highlight. We're going to highlight certain things because we want them to be differentiated. So if it's my makeup and lash business, I'm just going to leave it, you know, just the numbers. But if it's website or YouTube pay or whatever else, I will add the name like how y'all see me add it right here. So let's highlight the website in purple. So website $550. Let's do, oh, this is a cute pastel blue. Look at this. Is it blue or is it green or is it teal? I don't even know what it is, but it's cute, which is like a sage green. Everything website is gonna be purple, and then any other extra side hustles will be another color. Let's just say that. So what we're gonna do is we're going to add the $550. $19.45 is what we have for the month, and what we're expecting totals to $19.45 so far. If we're supposed to add the $250 that we already spent, it's gonna be $2,195 is for the month of October so far expecting, and what we've already made. If we're gonna calculate what we already made, we're gonna do the $250 plus we're gonna do the $120 plus we're gonna do $550. So for the month of October, week 1, we had made a total of $920 for week 1. $920 was what was made for week 1. We spent $250 to full back end supplies, so we now are left with $670, which we're going to go ahead and organize. So this calendar will get updated weekly, as y'all could tell. So week 2 is going to update this calendar as well. I do have more income from the website, but I'm going to roll that over into week 2 because, as y'all know, we have a sale going on. And if you don't know, you better jump on the website, because today's Saturday, I'm recording, but tomorrow, Sunday, is the last day to grab all your favorite items from the website on a sale, 30% off, and it's only on orders $25 and over. Today is the last day. to grab what you need. The sale ends today, baby. So go ahead, check out the website and grab the items that you need. The link is in the description below. So let's continue. So here goes our weekly budget page. So let's go ahead and fill in month of October 2023. And basically this is week 1, because this is what was made in week 1, right? So week 1 income, we have $120 from work. I'm just gonna put work. And then we have $550 from website. Today's date is October 7, and oh shoot, I should have put the amount over here. This is what happens when you don't read. Reading is very crucial. So for total for this month, we have, how much was it? $670, my bad, in total. Get our highlighter. Let's do some highlighting. I like highlighting, y'all. It might not be important, but I'ma still highlight. So work and website, and we have these. The total is $670. Let's see where our $670 is gonna go. I just realized that I didn't put a table for my little cash wallet, but it's okay. There's a space on the back that I'm going to drop cash wallet in. For this week, out of our $550 that we've made on the website, we are going to be stuffing high priority with that. We're going to put a little in our cash envelope, and we're going to do saving challenges. So sinking funds is not getting stuffed for this amount, week 1. So high priority, we're going to add $220 out of our $550 to high priority. We have $330 left. We're going to add $80 to cash wallet because this week, food stamp week, I just brought groceries, I just brought household supplies. So groceries and household supplies will not be stuffed, but all the other categories in my cash wallet will be stuffed. So that's why we're only putting $80 to cash wallet, and then the remaining $250 will be going to savings. So let's do that. For cash envelope high priority, we have emergency. And for emergency, we're going to be adding $40 for citizenship. We're going to be adding $50 for credit cards. We're going to be adding $30 for supplies. We're going to be adding another $30 for taxes. We're adding $20 for moving out. We are adding another $20, and for Afterpay, I do have a bill on Afterpay, so we're adding $30 to Afterpay. And then for the savings category in my high priority, that amount will be coming from the savings amount. Okay, so for sinking funds, let's put NA for this month. For bills, we have our $120 that was made from doing lashes and makeup. So normally money that's made from lashes and makeup normally goes to bills. We're going to distribute that $120 in this way. So we have rent, car insurance, phone bill, utilities, car payment, subscriptions, and self-lender. And from the $120, the categories that are getting something is phone bill. We're gonna put down half the phone bill. We're gonna put down half the utilities, and we're going to put $20 towards self-lender. That's where our $120 will go for bills. And then for savings, the high priority savings, we're adding, my bad, we have $250 for savings. I forgot to write that. But for the high priority savings, we're adding $50 towards the Ultimate Saving Challenge bundle. And guess what? I have a new saving challenge book. Being that I quit on the 100 envelope challenge, we now have to start another bunch of saving challenges. So I do have a new saving challenge book that y'all haven't seen yet, but y'all about to see it. It's called Big Bank Savings, and for Big Bank we're adding $200 towards that savings. Okay, and then right here, that little space, I'm gonna put cash wallet, and we're going to add 80 to cash wallet. So this is how we looking right now. Let me go ahead and just highlight the amounts. So we have phone bill, utilities, self, high priority, savings, cash wallet, emergency, citizenship, credit cards, supplies, taxes, moving out, and afterpay. And this, my friends, is what week 1 is looking like. So here in our little summary, we're going to put description. We're going to put bills. We added 120. We're going to put high priority. We added 220. And then we're going to put cash wallet and savings. We added 80 plus 250, total 670. These will be the stuffings for week number 2, and these are the videos to expect for week number 2. We have completed our weekly budgets. So these type of videos, you can expect one of these videos every week. These videos will be coming a lot more so I can keep organized with what I'm doing, and I could also show y'all, you know, more organized on my channel a little bit, so y'all could get an understanding of where things are coming from. So I do have my cute little stickers that I feel like I want to add to the little calendar. So let's see what I want to add. Let's add monthly goals, where it says monthly goals right here. We could add that to the center. Monthly goals. And then let's add this flower. Cute little flower. Let's add it right here. Oh, so cute. And then on Sunday, next Sunday, we're gonna add some me time. Do I want to add it there? Yes, let's add me time. Me time. Oh my god, this is so cute. Okay, that's all I'm adding for now. More income is going to come in to be stuffed into these areas, so I'm not gonna add any stickers there, because for sure your girl about to make more money. Okay, so anyways, thank you guys so much for watching the video. If there was anything on my website that you guys needed, please go ahead and head on over there and go buy what you want, because baby, they are going real fast and you want to catch that sale. Please remember, the sale only applies to orders $25 and over, and it is an entire order sale, which means that you won't see the discount until you get to the cart. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. It's always a pleasure making videos for y'all, and I will see y'all in the next video.